A-doodle-doo, and we're back with another episode of Daily, where we'll be talking about Karura. Let's get right into this. Founded by the Akala Foundation, Karura is a scalable Ethereum virtual machine compatible network optimized for DeFi. The platform offers a suite of financial applications including a trustless staking derivative, a multi-collateralized stablecoin backed by cross-chain assets, and AMMDAX, with all microgas fees that can be paid in any token. Karura is built on the Kusama network. It is the polkadot's faster, wilder cousin, a multi-chain network for radical innovation. Kusama was founded in 2019 by Gavin Wood, founder of Polkadot and co-founder and former CTO of Ethereum. Kusama and Polkadot are independent, standalone networks built in nearly the exact same way. But Kusama has faster governance parameters and higher risk tolerance, serving as an experimental development environment for teams who want to move fast and innovate in Kusama or prepare for deployment on Polkadot. By launching on Kusama, Karura can push the limits of what's possible, giving the Akala Foundation team a place to launch bold new financial innovations. Karura will access Kusama's plug-and-play security while enjoying high-capacity processing speeds, microgas fees, and interoperability between multiple networks, all ultimately bridged to Polkadot. Karura will deliver decentralized financial products and stable assets to Kusama's entire ecosystem of networks. Karura is powered by KAR, the native token of Karura, but DeFi operations can be powered by other assets, with Karura's Bring Your Own Gas feature. KAR has a fixed supply of 100 million. The entire supply will be minted in the Genesis block at launch. 60.87% of the tokens are distributed in the community, 18.33% in the early backers of the blockchain, 10% for the founding team, and 10.8% for the backers. Uses of KAR. Transaction fees. Powers the microgas fees and smart contract execution. Node incentivization. Incentivizes network nodes to monitor and relay messages to Kusama. Governance. Empowers the community to vote, elect council members, and drive the development of Karura. Algorithmic risk adjustment. Auto-adjusts risk parameters such as interest rates or collateral ratio. Pallet deployment. Allows teams to deploy new substrate pallets on the Karura blockchain by staking KAR. The AUSD stablecoin is a decentralized, trustless, collateral-backed cryptocurrency whose value is strong pegged to the US dollar. By maintaining a strong peg to the US dollar, users are shielded from the price volatility that is common with many cryptocurrencies. Karura Apps offers access to decentralized, non-custodial, and permissionless borrowing through vaults on the Karura network. Users can mint the AUSD stablecoin by locking assets as collateral in a vault. Uses of AUSD. Access liquidity from your assets. Instead of selling their crypto assets, users can draw liquidity from the assets by locking them in a vault as collateral. Karura Apps offers users the ability to earn trading fees and other rewards by providing liquidity to Karura Swap. Users that provide liquidity earn a cut of the trading fees in proportion to the amount of liquidity they provide. While there is an opportunity to earn trading fees and other rewards, users should be mindful that liquidity providing comes with certain risks. The AUSD that is minted from this can be used to purchase various goods and services. Flexible repayments. Vaults offer flexible payment terms. There are no payment schedules, required minimum payments, or credit history requirements. As long as users maintain the proper collateralization ratio in their vault, they can pay back the vault at any time. Leverage. Traders can draw liquidity from their crypto assets to buy more crypto assets. This is sometimes referred to as leverage and can be done by locking your assets in a vault as collateral. Using leverage magnifies the risk of loss as well as the potential gains. Traders should proceed with caution when using leverage. Karura Swap. This is another one of Karura's unique features that offers the ability to trade tokens without intermediaries through Karura Swap. Karura Swap is a trustless, automated market maker-style decentralized exchange on the Karura network. Karura Swap supports the ability to trade native substrate tokens and ERC20 tokens. This feature allows users to trade without any intermediaries, no exchange. What do users get in return? Now you might be thinking that all these features sound cool, but what's in it for you? Karura Apps offers users the ability to earn trading fees and other rewards for doing certain activities. Liquidity providing. Karura Apps offer users the ability to earn trading fees and other rewards by providing liquidity to Karura Swap. Users that provide liquidity earn a cut of the trading fees in proportion to the amount of liquidity they provide. While there is an opportunity to earn trading fees and other rewards, users should be mindful that liquidity providing comes with certain risks. One such activity is LPing for select trading pairs. Users that LP for an incentivized trading pair will earn additional KAR rewards in accordance with the terms of the given liquidity mining program. Liquidity mining. The Karura network may from time to time also offer additional incentives to incentivize certain activity on the network. The intent of these programs is to accelerate adoption of features on the Karura network. Kusama, the network behind Karura, has been said to be a cypherpunk heaven for developers looking to move fast and push the limits of what's possible. Karura plans to integrate into this vibrant developer community, providing Kusama developers with world-class tools and platforms for financial applications. Kusama has some unique features that many developers will find useful, like solid user base in building blocks. Karura offers a multi-collateral stablecoin, liquid KSM liquidity, and the DEX as primitives to build on top of. Karura will also have access to Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other networks through bridges. As a parachain connected to Kusama's relay chain, Karura will have the ability to tap into Kusama's cross-chain ecosystem. Sophisticated customization. Using the blockchain building framework, substrate with which Karura is built, developers can build independent economic models and incorporate your own token as a free token. Optimized for DeFi. Developers will have quality of service from the native Oracle-priced feed built into the code, can build independent economic models using Substrate, and can use Karura's flex-free capability to have fees paid in any token. Scalable cross-chain liquidity. Karura offers high capacity and throughput and liquidity from any chain bridge to the network, so expect Karura to be bridged to Polkadot, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. This brings us to the end of our video. Thanks for watching dotdaily. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, a doodle-doo to ya!